it's all about currency. So someone is talking about import substitution. Some traders are talking about export advantage. Guess what? For Motherson Sumi, I guess it's a bit of both. It is a net exporter of auto ancillary components out of India. So because of a depreciating rupee, it will benefit. But it will also benefit because now companies like Maruti, Tata Motors, and even some some two-wheeler companies, because of a weak rupee, will find it difficult to really import from overseas markets, and now they are seriously working at doing close tie-ups with Motherson Sumi and Indian auto ancillary companies to reduce their dependence on imports. So Motherson Sumi is in a sweet spot. The European market has turned around for them. Pricing power seems to be coming back. Two of their European subsidiaries have turned around, and domestic companies are looking at reducing their reliance on imported components. They have delivered. They've delivered for last 5 quarters in a row now. The return ratios are enviable. The buzz till about 3 months ago was that Motherson Sumi would raise money in order to expand more. But my understanding is that they are not looking at raising money. In a bull market, if you're raising money, well, that's great news, which means you have strong visibility of revenue and earnings. But in a bear market, if you're not raising money, that just tells you that you're confident of the cash flow, and you're confident that with the existing cash flow, you will be able to reduce your debt burden. So typically, markets are focusing on companies which are geared up to really reverse their debt with their existing cash flow, and that's where I think Motherson Sumi will enjoy some degree of advantage. Brokerages, they like the stock now. Mutual funds, they own the stock. It is not a very liquid stock, but for someone who's really looking at a real dollar trade, Motherson Sumi is in a very, very sweet spot. It has not fallen at all in last 10-15 days. Closer to 200, it definitely seems to be making a base. It is on the radar for a lot of portfolio fund managers. HDFC, IDFC, these are some of the mutual funds who have ownership in Motherson Sumi. So I definitely get a sense that this stock has potential to fall less and gain more. As we speak, it is trading at 209 rupees, almost at the highest point of the day. For a medium-term investor, I definitely see a level of 250, 260, and even at 250, 260, it will not be a very expensive stock. So, what a sweet spot this company is in. It will gain because of exports, and because of imports, the complete dependence of Indian auto company on important components will go down.